Period or menstruation is considered to be impure in India since ages together. Even today, when India is progressing towards modernity, many women in urban and rural areas alike are discriminated during their periods. They are treated like an untouchable in their own homes and are not allowed to enter the kitchen or go to any religious places during the 4 days of the month. Many women are even forced to follow certain absurd rules and practices during the period. Periods are believed to be a bad omen, and hence, women are not allowed to celebrate festivals or attend functions like weddings. Not only do the women follow these meaningless practices, but they also force their daughters and daughters in law to do the same, regardless of their wealth or educational qualifications. Due to lack of proper awareness and education, many young girls are ashamed of their periods and hence they lack the basic knowledge about menstruation, sanitation, and hygiene. Sadly, this is the case with many women too. Periods are nature's gift to women and they are not impure. They are a sign of fertility, tolerance, and power. Condemning menstruation is condemning the very process of life and birth. Dear men and women, boys and girls, together let's remove this unspoken ban on periods. And let's educate others to do the same. All that it requires is just a change of thought. Period is a birthright and not something to be guilty about. Be proud to be a woman and love yourself.